G'day guys, welcome to the course. This is a Clickbank affiliate sales funnel course where over the next few days, 4 or 5 days probably, I'm going to send you a few emails and we'll step by step we'll go through and build out a affiliate sales funnel using Clickbank products. So that's what we're going to do. I'll give you a bit of an introduction. So step by step, basically we're going to go through choosing your niche. So, what excites you, what you're passionate about, that sort of thing, because there's no point in just chasing the money. It needs to be something that you are passionate about. Some keyword research to find out where we can target, where we can attack. We'll look through ClickBank and find some appropriate offers, and we're going to use more than just one offer. We're going to put a couple of offers together. We're going to talk about how we can structure it to best suit people. We're going to start building the sales funnel. We're going to do a bit of writing and we're going to integrate an automatic follow-up response. We're going to talk about some free and paid traffic. And ultimately, our main goal is to earn $150, which will pay for everything within the month. So there are going to be a couple of programs here that we're going to need to get. If you think that you can do this without spending any money, then you're in the wrong business, because you are going to be spending money, and the more successful you come, the more money you're going to be spending. Paid advertising is going to get you the dollars in, but before we jump into that, we just want to set things up, get some traffic in, and get some dollars flowing. When it's successful and we've got dollars flowing, then we'll scale. So the main goal, we're not going to stop there, by the way. When that happens, that's when the work will really start. So we're not going to stop there. We're going to split test certain pages, opt-in pages and advertising pages, to see what works and what doesn't work. We're going to add additional offers and upsell the customer. We're going to build out our email marketing list. So this is something that everybody should be doing from day one. So this is something everyone should be doing from day one. Build that marketing list to use on future endeavors. And we're not going to rely on one platform, Facebook, YouTube, or any of that. We're going to build our very own, so that if the worst should happen and everything collapses, we're still going to have our customers on our list. We're going to look at other marketing opportunities to leverage that list. We're also going to look at an alternate way of doing the funnel is the niche website. So setting up a dedicated website for an offer and having SEO, organic traffic, go to that. So we'll look at that as well. And we'll look at some social media and marketing. So it's quite a lot to cram into 4 or 5 days. It might drip over a little bit more, but it's going to be a step-by-step follow along at your own pace. And I'll also have a few videos, and there'll be some written instructions as well. So it should be fairly easy to follow along there. This is basically what it's going to look like. So we're going to have a traffic source. That traffic source could be an ad, could be a blog, whatever that source is going to go through to an opt-in page where people will want to opt in and give you their details, usually in exchange for something. And that will put them onto your mailing list. And then it will take them through to the sales offer page. Now, this is one of the best things about ClickBank, is that the vendors will give you a lot of that, the sales copy. They'll give you images, they'll give you follow-ups. So a lot of the hard work is already done for you. It's just picking the right one and then touching with your audience. Now you'll see all this other stuff around here. As I said, we're not just going to stop there. That's going to be the very, very basic of it, but there's going to be a lot more that we're going to touch on. As we move out here, there'll be a lot more traffic sources that we can look at. We're also going to add a follow-up sequence, which is going to shoot back to our offer, and we're going to add more offers. Oops, sorry about that. So we're going to add additional offers or upsells, and not just one of them, maybe 2 or 3 of them. And then when this is really up and humming, we can still expand on that still. We're going to add things like bridge pages, which will introduce offers. we're going to add upsells and downsells. So if they didn't want the upsells, there might be a lesser downsell that they want. So it's not really going to stop. It's just going to keep going. So hopefully you'll follow along, and let's really start getting into it straight away. So we'll see you in the training.